Okay, so here we have our logos.sketch file. We are on the sketch page. There are two artboards, the start artboard and the ending artboard. And on the start artboard, you can see that everything is sort of off the artboard, but it's still on it, quote. There's the diamond, and then everything is in there. We're going to animate these now. Let's do it. Let's move over to Flow. We're going to create a new project. We're going to link our sketch file, logos.sketch from the desktop. We're going to switch to the sketch page. Double click to add our two frames. Sketch logo.flow. And we're going to press play, and that's what we get. So let's open up this timeline. We're going to collapse it, and then we're going to press Option and open it. That opens everything underneath it. Okay, and we want to work with the shapes first. So there you go, shape 1 to 8. What we're going to do is we're going to select all of the last key values, and we're going to move them to 0.25. Then we're going to take area select shape 8 and move it so that its last key value is at 1 second. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select all of those, shift select, and we're just going to keep selecting and moving and selecting and moving all the way up to just stagger things a little bit. Now, it's staggered. What we're going to do, deselect everything, then we're going to press Shift and click on the last key value of each track. And then we're going to click the Align button. We're going to deselect everything, and we're going to do the same thing for all the X tracks. Click that button. I'm going to drag that down, have a look at what that looks like. There you go. A little bit stiff still, that's okay. Let's have a look at everything. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to take this time, we're going to swap the positions of shape 1 and shape 3. So this, we're going to move like that. We're going to command select this time. So we just select one key value over here. And we're going to left align those. We're going to select all of those and move them to 0. We're going to do the same thing with shape 5 and shape 7. So the easiest way actually to do this is in shape 5, we're going to check out the time for this. This is 0.43 seconds. Okay. So then we're going to go here. We're going to select shape 5 and 7. We're going to left align them. And then with only shape 7 selected, we're going to lock the duration. And we're going to change this to 0.43. Now we can see that animation like that. The last thing we want to do is we want to change the easing curves for all of these to ease in by clicking here and choosing in. Now we're going to animate the diamond. The path doesn't actually change, so what we can do is we can delete that path animation. We can select all of the starting key values. We're going to move them to 0.25. Then we're going to click easing and have it ease out. And there's our animation. Done. Easy.